In this video, we're going to give you an overview of our axial fan. This introduction will brief you on the details of each component, the assembly and disassembly procedures, and maintenance instructions. Axial fans can be applied to any place in need of ventilation, including buildings, tunnels, parking lots, enclosed rooms, and more, which makes them easily found in our everyday scenarios. The impeller is the key component of a fan. With our strong R&D capabilities, Zhoujiao Enterprise Company Limited is able to develop high-efficiency fans based on the client's requirements. In a direct drive fan, the impeller is directly connected to the motor shaft, transmitting power without other components. Thus, there will be less energy loss using this fan type, which brings you greater efficiency. Install conduit on the motor to extend the wires to the external junction box for subsequent wiring operations. Install screens on both inlet and outlet sections to prevent anything from being sucked in and causing danger. When entering the site, workplace safety is always the first priority. Only perform the maintenance work once equipment is completely isolated from the power supply. After detaching the impeller seal plate, loosen the screws and remove the impeller. Make sure the power is completely cut before loosening the screws. Disconnect the cables and remove the motor.